Go.
Okay, never mind.
That's too steep, guys. Y'all are gonna fall down that.
We gotta hold on to trees. Okay. What about like this? What about this one? The stick.
I think y'all are gonna slide down there.
I won't slide. I won't. Watch.
What?
Christian, no.
I'll be
Can I?
fine.
No.
Okay, you know what? I'll try.
And there go my boys.
See?
Okay, here goes the one with the broken ankles. Oh, Lord Jesus, help me. I'm gonna fall.
Okay, now I'm gonna help my mom.
No, I got it. I think I got it. Oh, Lord Jesus, help me. Little baby steps. I'm gonna fall.
Don't get.
There's thorns, guys.
I
Oh,
didn't even get poked.
I did. Ow.
Well, Levi, what about?
I'm like the geriatric walkers here.
Shoot, look.
Oh, okay. Let's go.
There's a little guard.
Okay, guys, where are we going from here? I'm scared.
Ooh, someone left the beer can.
What are we doing?
Mom, keep rolling, keep rolling.
Okay, where are we going
Looks
from
like you
here,
have to
guys?
cross.
Okay, if you're gonna fall, then I can imagine me.
Mom, keep rolling. I'm gonna have to help
Okay, hold on, hold on.
Grandma.
Ah, got it. Ow! My hair got caught in the branch. Levi! No, you're gonna get stickers on your butt.
Levi, look, let me try.
No, guys. I'm not gonna be pulling stickers out of your butts.
Yeah, you know.
No, because Yayi's gonna tumble over you guys.
You want to go down or no?
You go down first.
There's ants, guys. Careful.
Okay, I'm in. Now, Levi.
Okay.
Okay, now, Mom.
I'm scared.
Okay, now I'm gonna help.
No, I got it. I think I got it.
Help you.
I think I got it. Hold on. Oh, Lord Jesus, help me. Ah. Okay. Okay, got it.
Under this tree.
Okay. So you go
So here we are again.
this way.
We go that way. Up the steepest hill. Ready, Mom? This is the steepest hill ever.
Okay. I caught you poking your butt.
Who?
You. Oh, gosh.
Can I throw you up there?
Now here's the pretty.
Oh, Lord Jesus, help me.
Okay, I'm gonna help you.
Hold the phone, I'm gonna fall.
Here.
I got it. Boo, 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 boo. I got it.
Look at the prettiest view in the world.
Here, Mom.
Ah. You guys.
This over here. Can Good job.
Say, we did it.
We did it.
Now raise your hands, both of y'all. We did it. Get together, get together. Ay, niños, we did it.
Now you wanna go back?
Never mind.